Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Supcase product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Today we're going to be looking at the Unicorn Beetle UB Pro dual layer case with military drop protection for the Google Pixel 9a. Huge shout out to Supcase for giving me the opportunity to represent. All the information to purchase will be down below in the description area. So without further ado, let's do this. Yes, you get a holster, folks. For those of you that love the holster, here it is with 360 clip action. Clip that to your belt. Very easy to take the case out and put the case in. Look at that carbon fiber design. That is nice. Lots of depth and lip surrounding the camera area. Wow. Kickstand UB Pro. It's not something I use, but it's there. Just make sure that you're facing inward so the display is protected up against the back of the clip if you're going to use the holster. Okay, so this is going to have a fingerprint ID with a built-in screen protector attached to the hard plastic polycarbonate frame. I do have a tempered glass screen protector. I'm not going to remove it. There's a lot of information that I showed you during the intro of this case review. So yeah, don't overlook anything, folks. All that information is in the packaging for good reason. You can remove the built-in screen protector. I've done that. I have videos up here on the channel for you to watch. It's a very, very simple process. Right here, there's some information separating front casing from rear case. There's a little bit of a gap right here. You can put your thumbnail in there and pull the frame with the built-in screen protector away. TPU material, really grippy. You can see the ridged textured grip along the side where the power button that is ridged right above the volume rocker. What's really nice about that ridged power button, it allows you to differentiate the feel of the power button to the volume rocker Supcase brand name there. That is nice. You can sport a lanyard. For those of you that just can't seem to hold on to your smartphones, a lanyard is a great idea. Got a flap protecting the USB Type-C charging port, a little cutout so where the mic area is on your Google Pixel 9a, you won't have any issues when recording video because of that little cutout there. Cutout for the speaker, cutout for the top mic. Got some flex going on there. Soft matte interior. Corner pockets, all four corners. Extended corners for the ultimate shock absorption if you were to drop your 9a on the ground. It's just solid. It's just a solid case. It's going to give you a lot of protection for your investment. Look at that. Look at all that depth around the camera area and flash there. So yeah, that is just awesome. Look at that. Supcase military drop protection. I love that velvety feel on the inside. Just a lot of cushioning for the back of your 9A. Okay, so what I want to do here is we'll go ahead and remove the protective film on the outer part of the plastic built-in screen protector, and we'll remove that piece of film. So what you would typically do is clean your display off really, really well. Okay. And when you're ready, remove that film, then remove this piece of film over the adhesive. Put it over the top. Remember, everything's got to be really clean. Then you want to rub that adhesive onto the area where your under display fingerprint reader is. Then you want to reset your fingerprint, and then everything will work great. So, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to remove the built-in screen protector because I don't need it. I have a tempered glass screen protector. But again, read all the information on how to utilize the fingerprint ID. It's a simple, simple process. Clean, remove protective film, remove that over the top, rubber down, reset your fingerprint, and you're ready to go. But if you want to be daring, read all the information, follow what I do, and you can remove that. So let's go ahead and do that. I got to get my blow dryer, because what we're going to do is heat up the adhesive surrounding the inner part of that built-in screen protector to remove it. You just want to make sure you take your time with the blow dryer, heat up all the way around, and slowly peel the built-in screen protector. Peel it back, pull it away. Okay, so let's do that. Everything looks great. These two little extended areas there go towards the bottom of the 9A, going to surround the USB Type-C charging port area. You can see that you have a lot of depth and lip surrounding the flat P OLED display, recessed area for the combo earpiece and speaker. With my tempered glass screen protector sitting down on a flat surface a little bit rough, you're good to go. Anything rougher than that, just use your discretion. No issues with my tempered glass screen protector in the frame that does not have the plastic built-in screen protector anymore. Okay, so then you want to take the back part of the case at an angle, start at the bottom, and simply work your way up, bringing the back together with the frame, leaving no gaps all the way around. Look at that. That right there, folks, is solid. The case doesn't add a lot of bulk. It really, really doesn't. Look at that camera protection. Lots of depth, lots of space, so you can take great quality pictures and shoot great quality video. You got these little TPU feet with this area here, which is TPU, that is going to help keep the back just above a flat surface so you don't easily scratch that back. Now, if you're going to set down on a really rough surface, well, you're going to get a little bit of damage in there. That's kind of nice, and they're grippy. Carbon fiber design. That looks sweet. Bold. Lanyard area there with those two little cutouts, speaker cutout, flap to protect the USB Type-C charging port and the bottom mic. Keep dirt, dust, lint out of there. All that traction grip. Wow, that is nice. good look at the UB Pro with holster, with kickstand, lots of protection on the back and front. All the areas that are important are exposed. Well, that little cutout there, it's going to allow the mic to do what it needs to do when recording. You don't want to cover up that mic. All right, let's go ahead and test out wireless charging. Bam, just like that. Nice. Nice and responsive. The ultimate dual layer protection. Wow. Any questions, please ask down below in the comment section, and I'll do my best to answer whatever it is that's on your mind. Kickstand in landscape mode. Yeah, that looks nice. That looks really nice. I'm a landscape kind of guy. Watch a lot of movies and videos. You can go into portrait mode if you want to do that. For those of you that want to utilize your 9A like this, again, that's me right there. And, well, the holster, just like that. All right, everyone, all the information down below in the description area. Appreciate your time, your support, Supcase. Again, thank you for the opportunity. And with that, God bless you all. Peace. I'm out.